In today's lesson, tikuda kudiscussa ma-fractional indices. So ma-fractional indices, kama understanda, tichava an extension to the laws of indices which we learned. Saka ngatingoitai run down the list of the laws of indices which we have learned up to this time. Takadzidza kuti our first law of indices inoti iyo x to the power a times x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. Saka izvi zvinofananidza kana kuti zvinotiratidza the relationship between kumultiplier ma-indices uye addition of the powers. So a na b they are powers of x, and we explained in our former lesson kuti chinoita kuti ma-powers aede inhau yekuti we have the same base, which in that context is x. Then what we learned next was that x to the power a dividing x to the power b is equal to x to the power a minus b. Saka we should also appreciate kuti inoitwa kuna kuinyora yakati x to the power a over x to the power b. This is equal to x to the power a minus b, like that. So that is the second law we learned. We learned as the third law kuti x to the power minus a is equal to 1 over x to the power a. Then our fourth law was x to the power 0 is equal to 1. We also saw that x to the power 1 is equal to x. So this is actually a nuance. Saka, this is the summary of the 4 laws we learned. We can add as the fifth law what we learned in our immediate class, like the class we did yesterday. Takadzidza kuti x to the power a raised to the power b is actually equal to x to the power a b. So what do we want to learn in today's class? What we want to learn in today's class is, let us say we have a situation where x is to the power 1 over a. This is going to be the sixth law we learn. If x is to the power 1 over a, this means kuti we have the 8th root of x. Saka kana x iri to the power a fraction, we take the denominator of that fraction tobva taisa panapa inova a root. Saka iyi tinoidana tichiti the 8th root, like that. Saka x to the power 1 over a is equal to the root a of x. But we also have a nuance to that law. Saka our nuance, kureva kuti a variant, you might take it like that, kana kuti a different form. What if it is x to the power a over b? Saka remember from our first law tati, the denominator ndo inova the root. Saka denominator panapa pana a over b ndi b. Saka it is going to be the bth root of x, but everything is raised to the power a, like that. Saka chaitika apo chamufanga kubatisisa ndechekuti b inoi ndo inova the root, then a iyo inova the power. We can take it like this. So this is how it is done. Now looking at what has just happened, what do we learn? The other thing we should know panapa, what we should know is, kana tina x to the power 1/2, x to the power half iri equal to, because panapa we have 2, saka 2 ndo ichava root, like this, x, but this can be written as just the square root of x. Saka x to the power half is equal to the square root of x, and we treat this as our standard. Saka because it's a standard, that's why tisina kunyora anything panapa to define the root. Anything else apart from that should be defined. So this is what we wanted to introduce in this lesson. Now let us consolidate the information we have with examples. This is our question. Simplify. A yakanzi 9 to the power 1 over 2. Saka 9 to the power 1 over 2 inenge iri equal to 2 unoyu ndo ari pazasi kureva kuti ndiye root, then pamusoro pana 1 kureva kuti this is just the square root of 9, which is equal to plus or minus 3. But at this instance, we can as well leave it as 3. But to be safe, ngatitongoinyora yakati plus or minus. Saka kana iri square root, answer yedu should be plus or minus. Tikadai so tinenge tapedza. Let us do B. Saka B yakanzi 8 to the power 1/3. So this is going to be equal to, tinotarisa our root is going to be 3, like that. Tobva tatarisa the power ndi 1, saka togona kusainyora. Saka this is just the cube root of 8. And by cube root, what do we mean? We are looking for a number yatinoita multiply by itself 3 times, repeating 3 times to get 8. So tikati 2 times 2 tinowana 4, 4 times 2 tinowana 8. Kureva kuti our answer here is 2. That will be it. Let us go to C. C yakanzi 8 to the power the negative of 2 over 3. Saka inoi manje we have to apply a series of laws, starting with the law tema uya waiti a to the power minus n is equal to 1 over a to the power n. Saka kuti this negative power ive positive, it's not 1 over. What it means is applying this law to that inenge equal to 1 over 8 to the power 2 over 3, like that. So kana taita izvo tinenge tatodi tapidigura. Saka tadai, so what are we going to do? This is equal to, applying the law we are dealing with now, it will be 1 over, our denominator is the root 8 mnom, then our numerator is the power. Saka ndisati ndaenda kure, pane zvananga ndisina kukutsanangurirai. Mutemo wedu tati a and to the power 1 over b, and kana ngatiti a to the power, let us say c over b. This is equal to b unoyu ndiye root, then mukati umu tonyora a, then the power is going to be c, like that. Izvi togona kuzvinyora zvakadai so. Tinogona kuti b is the root a, then to the power c toisa mukati muno, like that. But inini hangu, I do not prefer doing this. I think it's confusing, unnecessarily so. Saka mukaita zvemabrackets izvi zvandakudzidzisai, you are going to get to your answer. But for this one, tiri kuda kumboita both this root and that root, kuti tingoprova kuti it's the same thing. Saka going this root manje, zvoreva kuti this is going to be equal to 1 over the cube root of 8, as in the case of b, d2, so that 2 should be squared. Our answer should be a quarter, like that. Okay, what if we have gone this route ish tiri panapa, kureva kuti taibva pa this stage toya panapa, not 1 over 3 is the denominator kureva kuti ndiyo root 8 munotora kuti squared mukati umu like that. So this is going to be equal to 1 over the cube root of what is 8 squared? 8 times 8 is 64. Saka yava 1 over what? What is the cube root of 64? So the cube root of 64, we need a number which is multiplying itself 3 times to see if it gets to 64. Saka if we use 4, take 4 times 4 is 16. What is 16 times 4? Saka 16 times 4, 6, 12, 18, 24, 4 panapa 2 apo, 4 times 1 is 4, 5, 6, it's 64. So panapa yaizongoya iri 1/4 like that. But the reason why ndati better use zvataita in white than zvataita panapa inawe yekuti it's easier kuwana the cube root of 8 than kuwana the cube root of 64. The cube root of 64 inotinetsei kuwana pane the cube root of 8. Saka use this method. It's safer and it's also cleaner. Okay, let us now go to D. Saka D yakanzi 4 times 4 to the power negative half. This is going to be equal to 4 times, then panapa to apply that law inenge ichi convert this from a negative power to a positive, 1 over 4 to the power half. This is equal to 4 times 1 over 4 to the power half, zvinongoreva kuti the square root. 4 to the power half, zvinongoreva kuti the square root of 4. So this is equal to 4 times 1 over 2. Then panapa remember kuti 2 should be plus or minus, but it makes things uncomfortable. So let us deal with 2. 2 into 2 is 1, and 2 into 4 are 2. So this is then equal to 2. But because to avoid the plus or minus panapa, plus or minus should actually apply to our answer, plus or minus 2, like that. So tapedza D. Let us now go to our last one, which is E. Saka E yedu yakanzi 16 over 81. This is to the power minus 3 over 4. How do we solve this? So looking at this, we have options, or rather I ask, can we simplify 16 over 81 in any way? We do not have a common factor which we can put into 16 and 81 with the same effect. Saka, let us deal with it. Panapa pachashanda that law, if you remember. Yaiti if we have A over B to the power minus N, this will be equal to B over A to the power N. So the way of making this negative power a positive, kupidigura, kuinverta what is inside the bracket, if it is a fraction, that is. Saka apo, this is equal to 81 over 16 to the power 3 over 4, which is going to be equal to, we have the fourth root, because 4 are denominator, saka 4 panapa, todai so 81 over 16, then the power the 3. So tadaruka tichaisolva sei. This is equal to, we need a number. Okay, before we do that, we also have another law to consider. That law says the square root of A over B is equal to the square root of A over the square root of B. So what is happening here is we can separate, having a fraction, the square root. So the square root of A over B becomes the square root of A over the square root of B. Saka kana tine a fourth root like this, zvoreva kuti the fourth root of 81 over the fourth root of 16, but everything is still under the power 3, like that. So let us consider what is going to be the answer. A number multiplying itself by itself 4 times to get 81. Well, how about 3? 3 times 3, that is 9. 9 times 3, 9, 18, 27. What is 27 times 3? 27 times 3, 7, 14, 21, 6, 7, 8. Saka our answer apo pamsoro inenge iri 3 over. Then panapa tikashandisa 2. 2 times 24, 4 times 28, and 8 times 2 ndi 16. Kureva kuti pasasa apa anenge ari 2. But everything is cubed. What it then means is this is equal to. We also have another law we can look at. A over B to the power n is equal to A to the power n over B to the power n. Come to think of it, zvakangofanana nepaipai pataita zvema-square roots. But I will leave it as a task kuti muinvestigate kufanana kwazvakaita. Kufanana kwazvakaita ndekwekuti n pama-square roots anenge angori half. Okay? Even if it's Greek panapa, but understand it from this question. Zvoreva kuti 3 to the 3 over chi? 2 to the 3. This is equal to, what is 3 cubed? 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3, 9, 18, 27. Over 2 times 24 and 4 times 28. Does 8 get into 27? 8, 16, 24. It doesn't. Kureva kuti our answer should end as 27 over 8. Don't bother convert it to a mixed number or worse off a decimal. You can leave it as an improper fraction as it appears. But our answer is not yet complete. Nepamusana pekuti panapa, these are even powers. Saka because 4 uno is an even number, this is an even root. Saka we have an even root. It means our answer should contain what? Plus or minus. Saka kuinyora zvakanaka tinenge takudai so. That is equal to plus or minus 27 over 8. Voila. Saka tikadai tinenge tatogohwesa. Okay. We are done with our first question. Let us go to the second. That is our question. Simplify A yakanzi chi. A yakati iyo 2 and 1 over 4 in brackets raised to the power 1 and a half, like that. So chatinofanirwa kutanga kuita kuconverta from mixed numbers to improper fractions. Tinozviita sei? 4 times 2 ndi 8. 8 plus 1, that's 9 over 4, like this. Then tikauya panapa tikati 2 times 1, that is 2 plus 1, it's 3 over 2, like that. Saka kana tadai, so it becomes easier for us. That is equal to, we look at this denominator, it tells us that we have a square root of 9 over 4. But 3 ari pamusoro apa ari kutiudza kuti we have a power, that is everything raised to the power 3. Then from there, teta kuti this is equal to, we can separate pama square roots up. The square root of 9 over the square root of 4. But everything should still be under the power 3. So this is equal to, what is the square root of 9? The 3, and the square root of 4, the 2. Everything cubed. This is equal to in over 3 cubed over 2 cubed, like that, to give us 3 cubed. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3, 9, 18, 27 over. Then 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 ndi 8, 8 panapa. But because we had a square root, our answer should be what? A plus or a minus, like that. Saka plus or minus yedu munogona kuinyora yakadai so. These are two ways of writing it. It's either muchanyora iri plus or minus, makaita semakaisa pakati, panapa makati chi 27 over 8. Kana kuti mogona kuinyora iri plus or minus, iri kunyomareta 27 over 8. Chamusingagoni kuita kuinyora iri kudenominator. That does not make sense. But ask me, it's better kungoinyora iri central panapa, without everything is plus or minus. Anditika. Saka ndo maitiro atinoita. Let us go to B. B iri kuti 8 over 50 to the power negative half. Given this question, chatofunga kutanga kuita kureduce this fraction to its simplest form. Saka panapa tikati 2 into 8 tinowana 4 and 2 into 50 tinowana 25. So this is equal to 4 over 25 to the power minus 1/2, like that. So it's always important to simplify a fraction, that is kana richikwanisa kusimplifyika. That is very important. Then tadai so, we know that this is equal to, since we have a negative power, we have to convert it, or to invert rather. Saka 21 over 4 apo to the power 1/2, like that. Then tadai so, we know that half inoreva to square root. So panapa we're having the square root of 25 over 4, which we know can be written as the square root of 25 over the square root of 4, which is actually equal to plus or minus the square root of 25 the 5 over the square root of 4 the 2. That will be our final answer. Knowing kuti plus or minus inonyorwa kana tiine chi, kana tiine even power. Musazvikanganwa izvo. Saka natadai inge yapera, and pano pari important pakusimplify the fraction. Inotanga tisina kurisimplify, taiwana a completely and very wrong solution. Okay, people, let us see what we get pana C. So let us see kuti C anofamba sei. C iri kuti we have the square root of 72a cubed b to the power minus 2 over 2a to the power 5 and b to the power minus 6. That is what we have. Saka iyo requires more space kuti tiiweke, so let us do that. Now solving that question, zvatofanirwa kuita, tinofanirwa kuti we have to consider 72a to the power 3 b to the power minus 2 over 2a to the power 5 b to the power minus 6, like that. Reason yatazviitira ndeyekuti taseparata that fraction kuti tiisimplify. So kana takuisimplify, tinge takuti this is equal to, we then separate for ease of method, cannot ease of working, tinoseparata manumbers pawo ega, 72 over 2 times vana a to the power 3 over a to the power 5 times vana b to the power minus 2 over b to the power minus 6, like that. Then todila nema numbers. 2 into 2 ndi 1, 2 into 7, 2 4 6, that is 3 with the remainder of 1, and 2 into 12 ndi 6, like that. Then a to the power 3 into a to the power 5 ndi a squared. Vamwe vangabvunza kuti zvabva kupi. Zviri kubva pakuti a to the power 3 zvoreva kuti a times a times a over a to the power 5 zvoreva kuti a times a times a times a. Saka ma a aya akachekana sezviri kuitika apa. Aya anga achifanirwa kuva 5, saka a times a 1 2 3 4 5. Pazasi pari kusara ma a ari 2 a squared. So that is important. But panapa manje tichapaita sei? Kuti pasolveka apa, ngatishandisei that law of indices yatakadzidza inoti a to the power b over a to the power c zviri equal to a to the power b minus c. Izvi zvenge zvichibvawo zvakare kunani a to the power b dividing a to the power c, which would then get us there, give us that. So ino ishi manje kana takuita tinenge takuti this is equal to 36 apo times, remember a to the power 3 payakansela pasara 1, so it's 1 over a squared times, then we can say some brackets, ingeri b to the power minus 2 minus minus 6. Saka minus ino iyi iri kubva pakuti mapowers aya ane the same base ari kudivide, but this minus iri pana 6 iri kungobva pana minus ino ishi iri attached to the power in the denominator. So this will be equal to 36 times 1 over a squared times b to the power minus 2, minus na minus ukasangana zvichaita plus, so it's minus 2 plus 6. This is 36 times 1 over a squared times b to the power minus 2 plus 6 is 4. Because minus 2 plus 6 yakafanana nekuti 6 minus 2 we get 4. Or we just subtract because masign akasiyana and then take the bigger number, which is a positive. 6 minus 24 positive 4. So tikajoina izvi manje zvenge zviri equal to 36 times 1 times b to the power 4 is 36 b to the power 4 over, then panapa pazasi pana a squared. So it's 36 b to the 4 over a to the 2. What do we do then? Zvatinozoita panapa tinenge takuti therefore the square root of 72a cubed b to the negative 2 over 2a to the 5b to the negative 6, the square root here, this is equal to the square root of what? 36b to the power 4 over a squared. Zvatawana pata simplify the fraction up to this point. So panapa manje, what are we doing? Takutora this. This will be equal to, we know kuti having a fraction under the square root kana under a root inogona kudzoka yakadai, so 36b to the power 4 over the square root of what? A squared. This is equal to, mukasanzwisisa zvandiri kuda kutsanangura panapa, please go and revisit the work we did under irrational numbers, but mchinyanyo kutarisa pamasads. We did SADs. They are under cluster topic number 1, numbers. From that topic, you learn kuti the square root of AB can be written as the square root of A times the square root of B. So ndo zvatiri kuda kuapply apo. The square root of 36b to the power 4 toda kuinyora as the square root of 36 times the square root of b to the power 4. And this is over the square root of a squared ndi a, it's plus or minus a, but plus or minus tinozozvinyora in our answer. Ndi a because a times a ndo zvinotipa a squared. This is equal to the square root of 36 the 6 times the square root of b to the power 4 the b squared. It is b squared which gives us b to the power 4 because b squared times b squared the b to the power 4. And of course this is over a. Kureva kuti our final answer will be 6 times b squared, 6b squared over a, like that. So inenge yapera. The trick here, the most important part was here to solve what is inside the brackets, but the best foot forward kwanga kuri kushandisa consider kuseparata tozvisolva separately pane kuti dei tanga tichingoisa mazi square root pakusolva panapa toramba tingomaisa, it could have become ugly. We need to show our working as clear as possible. So we have done this question. Let us see where our work takes us. Chapter 8, exercise 8D. Route meter number 1, number 10, number 32, then 42 and 45. This is the exercise I want you to do. But this exercise is not actually the conclusion of our lesson. We have other examples to consider. Let us look at that question. Rewrite the following expressions with positive indices only. Sakapana a apo, we have pq to the power minus 2. So we have to know kuti chiri to the power minus 2 ndi q chete, not p, because hapana ma brackets. So this is actually equal to, we can separate these by saying p times q to the power minus 2, like that. But we know from this law of indices, in not a to the negative n is equal to 1 over a to the n. If we apply it up, this is equal to p times 1 over q squared. Kureva kuti p times 1 from numerator by numerator dp over our denominator is q squared. That will be our answer. Let us look at b. b yakati iyo 2a over b to the negative 1. We know from also this law of index, inoti a over b to the power minus n is equal to b over a to the power n. And izvi manje zvinongobva pakuti a over b taitreata as 1 over a over b to the power n. Saka I want you to do this as a task. Task yacho you can come back with your results. Ndoda kuti musolve apa muone kuti panodzoka here pachinobuditsa that. So if you are done with the task, it's either you come to my inbox, WhatsApp, or you comment under the comments section how you did on this task. So this is actually task number 1. You can call it that. But let us go back here. Saka panapa zvongoreva kuti this is equal to b over 2a to the power 1, which of course can be written as b over 2a, but let us write it like this. So b yedu yatopera. Let us see where our lesson takes us. On this part of our lesson, ndiri kuda kuti muve futi exercise. This is exercise 8e, NGM 3, chapter 8, number 1, 2, 3, 8, go. That is also another exercise I want you to do. Let us see where our lesson takes us next. This is our question. Solve the following equations. A yakati x to the power, yokutanga yakati x to the power 1 over 3 is equal to 4. So how do we solve that? Chiripo panapa ndechekuti. We just have to know. There are many methods of going about this. So I'll introduce a method number 1. Method number 1 is more like taking the longer route, but I think it's more organic. Saka inoi x to the power 1 over 3 tinoiconvert into the cube root of x. This is equal to 4. Then kuti tibvise a cube root, we have to introduce to the power 3. And zvataita left tozviita futi right to the power 3. Saka this interaction inotiseya tina x is equal to 4 to the power 3, which is 4 times 4, 16. And what is 16 times 4? 6 12 18 24 4 5 6. Whatever good, it's actually 64. That will be the answer. Apple. But our method number 2, which is more direct, and I do not encourage it, we have x to the third is equal to 4. Ideally panapa ndeyekuti kuti tibvise ka 1 over 3 aka, we multiply the power by 3. And because we've multiplied the power by 3, kunoku kuna power 1, remember. Tichai multiply futi nani na 3. Tati kuna power 1 kuti kana pasina kunyorwa power, the power is automatically 1. Saka ma 3 aya panochekana chasara tina x to the power 1 is equal to 4 to the power 1 times 3 and 3. So x is equal to 4 to the power 3, which again is 64. So mamuchigona yenyu kusanyora ka 1 ako, you are allowed kusakanyora kanaka. Saka you pick your poison, but inoi iri smarter. So ndo yandinoita from now on. Let us see kuti b yakati chinyi. Saka b yakati 2a to the power minus 1 over 3 is equal to minus 14, like that. So we should know kuti chiri raised to the power minus 1 over 3 ndi a kwete 2. Saka kuzviseparata kwakakosha. 2 times a to the power minus a third is equal to minus 14. Saka panapa becomes 2 times 1 over a to the third, and it's equal to minus 14. 2 times 1, 2 over a to the third is equal to minus 14, like that. Kureva kuti if I multiply panapa na a to the third and I multiply kunoku na a to the third, ma a to the third anochekana tosara tina 2 is equal to minus 14 a to the third. Then my minus 14 now tomaisa futi minus yoyo like that. Aya uchekana toreva kuti panapa tinge taya nani kunokutogona kubva tatosimplify 2 into 2 1 and into 14 7. Saka minus 1 over 7 is equal to a to the third. Then panapa to remove, panapa we should know the collective power the 1. To remove a third, we multiply by 3, which is my 3 zvichekane. In panapa we have to also multiply by 3. Saka we are having minus 1 over 7 cubed is equal to a. So apo we know kuti a ingeri equal to minus 1 cubed over 7 cubed, which is minus 1 times minus 1 the 1, then 1 times minus 1 becomes minus 1. An odd power inotipa a negative answer over 7 times 7 the 49. What is 49 times 3? 9 18 27 4, 8, 12, 13, 14. So it's 147. A is equal to minus 1 over 147. On this lesson, for your troubles, exercise 8F, NGM 3, chapter 8, number 1, number 4, number 6, number 8, number 12. Those are the 5 questions I also want you to do. So this makes the end of our lesson. Thank you for your patience and endurance.